Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Shweta. Today we have a very special video. I'm so in love with the whole idea of getting ready for Onam and celebrating Onam because I'm a proper hardcore Malayali, and I hope there are Malayalis in my channel. Are you guys there? If you're there, please comment down below and let me know that there are Malayalis in my followers list. So yeah, this is an Onam get ready with me video. I hope you guys will love it. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with a fresh face. Cleanse your face before starting. The lighting in this video keeps changing because of the rain, so please bear with me. I'm using this minimalist sunscreen initially, and then I'm gonna start with the foundation. I'm using the Miss Claire foundation in the shade MH04. All the products that I'm using will be listed down below in the description box with links as usual. And now I'm blending it out with the foundation brush. You can use a sponge if you want, or even your fingers if you want to. So yeah, take your time and blend it really well. I love this foundation. It's very affordable and very good in quality. And now I'm just setting the foundation which I applied underneath my eyes first. So you can either do this like you can take the powder in your brush and set your face like this if you want a very dewy look, but I have very oily skin, so I was just gonna do baking like how you used to do. So I'm just gonna take the translucent powder, and this is a banana powder from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm just baking my face with it because at the end of the day it will give a very matte look. As if you don't have a very oily skin, you just use the brush like how I used before. And now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and I'm just gonna draw a very thin outline, and then I'm gonna just smudge it and blend it really well with a spoolie. And yeah, and now I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is my go-to eyeshadow palette. I use this, I take this when I travel, and this is the color that I use the most. As you can see, it's a very mauve nude color. I love this color. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my lid like this, like a transition color, and it gives a very good blushy look. And after that, I'm gonna take this dark brown color and use a precision brush, and I'm just gonna apply it on top of my lash line and then blend it upwards. It's a beautiful look. So I usually do this when I have to like dress up or anything, or I just go with the mauve color on my lids and that's it. I don't do two colors and all on a daily basis, but as it's Onam, let's just make it festive. So I'm just applying it now, and then I'm going to take the fluffy side of the brush and blend it out really well. So it'll just blend to the mauve base color that we applied before. You can stop it here and go ahead with the mascara if you want, but I'm just adding a liquid liner. So you can use any liquid liner. I think this is from Color Bar. I think this is a waterproof liquid liner. I'm not sure. I'll just put the links and everything below in the description box, and I'm just creating a wing line. Once that's done, I'm gonna create a little bit of a small V in the inner corner of my eyes just to create an elongated eye look. I don't know what I'm saying, if it's elongated or not, but it's just gives a really good shape for the eyes. And now I'm going to use this mascara from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm going to load it up. Don't forget your lower lash line as well. So I just took a fluffy powder brush, and removed all the excess powder from my face. And now I'm going to use this blush again from Sugar Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite products now. I cannot go outside without this blush now. I am so obsessed. You just have to blend it out with your finger, or you can use a sponge if you want. So yeah, it gives a very natural blush look. I love it. So once that's done, I'm just gonna brush a little bit of powder blush on top of my cream blush, just so that it'll stay there for longer period. If you just want that dewy look, you don't have to do this powder blush on top of that. It's all up to you. Now I'm just gonna use this lip liner from Swiss Beauty. I have a whole video of how to apply a nude lipstick with a lip liner. If you want to check it out, I'll just link it right here. So this is, I think this is from Maybelline lipstick. I love this lipstick. It's so beautiful. I love the color of it. It's perfect for my skin tone. And now I'm just gonna add a bindi to complete the look. And now it's all about the hair and ornaments and sari and everything. So yeah, I kind of love this look. It looks very natural and not overdone, but I love it. So yeah, we are pretty much done, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I love you guys. Happy Onam to all of you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.